Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your wealth management with Citigroup, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your wealth management with Citigroup, start by assessing your financial goals. Consider your short-term and long-term aspirations. Identify your risk tolerance to determine the right investment strategy for you. Next, schedule a consultation with a Citigroup wealth management advisor. Use this meeting to discuss your financial objectives in detail. Ask questions about various investment options available through Citigroup. Inquire about the services offered, including portfolio management and financial planning. Review your current assets to get a clear picture of your financial standing. Once you have a comprehensive understanding, discuss personalized wealth management solutions. Consider the wealth management platforms offered, such as Citigold or Citigold Private Client. Evaluate the potential benefits and management fees associated with each option. Next, collaborate with your advisor to create a customized investment strategy. This strategy should align with your goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. Stay informed about market trends and economic shifts that may impact your investments. Regularly schedule follow-up meetings with your advisor to review performance. Be open to adjusting your strategy as your financial circumstances change. Utilize the digital tools and resources provided by Citigroup for better financial monitoring. Monitor your portfolio's performance through Citigroup's investment platform. Engage in ongoing education about wealth management to make informed decisions. Finally, be patient and consistent with your investment strategy to see long-term growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.